I'm gonna try this with that. You know I don't like this stuff, but for you, I'm gonna try it. I'll let you know what it tastes like. Alright, so not bad. Actually, it's pretty good, pretty tasty, but I can't have too much of it because I could kind of taste it, but yeah, trying something new. Ugh, you already know. But it tastes pretty good. So maybe I'll switch off, eat some, don't eat some, don't eat some. Alright, so I'm only recording because I want you to hear the music. The music's actually really good here that they play. You know I love ketchup. I guess the next thing I should try is this. It's like a... I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, can you hear the music?
Railroad Bob. Railroad. Retired son of the railroad.
Alright, so moment of truth. Let's taste this one. I'm scared to dip it. Let's see.
The little train stopped running here at the port next month. I'll be around the
I don't know. I don't think I tasted it. Hold up. Okay, let's taste it now. Oh, it tastes pretty good. That's actually really good. I'm not really a fan of that tartar sauce, but this one's pretty good. And now I tasted the shrimp without any sauces, so let's taste it with this one, the one I like the most. See what it tastes like. Yeah, it's alright. I'll try a tartar. Let's see. Well, they're both not bad. They both taste alright with it. Yeah, that's that. Really good place. Remember, it's called Railroad Fish and Chips.